True Seamoss sent me over a sample of their raw sea moss, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to make your own Seamoss gel at home. This is something that we take daily in our house. We even give this to our kids. It's packed full of minerals that support energy, digestion, and just overall wellness. So I love that this sea moss is pure, raw, and vegan friendly. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and it doesn't have any chemicals or additives in it. So it works pretty much with every diet, and you know exactly what's going into your body when you take this. So when I take this daily, I can actually feel the difference. I have more energy, better focus, and even my digestion feels smoother. It's like giving your body just a bunch of minerals that it's been missing for a long time. So it has instructions on how to make it on the back here. We're just gonna simply follow that. So first off, you're gonna pull out a small handful of the Seamoss gel and just soak it in a large bowl of water. Now you're going to want to rinse the moss off multiple times, just removing the sand and any residue that may be left over from it being in the ocean. So then you're going to soak the clean moss in another bowl of water, and you're going to want to refrigerate that anywhere from like 12 to 24 hours. And then after that time's up, you're going to want to squeeze some lemon or lime juice into the water and then rinse that moss one more time. And after that, you're going to blend up that soaked sea moss with some water until it becomes like a smooth, homogeneous mass. And then you're going to be able to put that into a jar, and you're going to refrigerate it for about an hour. That way it just kind of thickens up just a little bit more. And then you're going to have this perfect mineral-rich gel that's packed full of 92 of the 102 minerals your body needs. So it's great for your skin, your joints, and your immunity. Just all the things that we need help with every day. So I love making my own sea moss rather than buying it. You know that there's not going to be any fillers in it. There's no preservatives, just clean, fresh sea moss that you know is made right, and it saves you a lot of money over time. So what I love to do with my Seamoss gel is I'll mix it with a little bit of jelly, and you can't even tell just because the consistencies are so similar. You can't tell the difference between the jelly and the Seamoss itself, and it just gives it like that perfect amount of sweetness that even my kids love it, and they'll eat the whole jar of it if I let them. So it's just a great overall nutritious little snack for the whole family to have. And just remember that a little bit goes a long way, and once you start taking it daily, your body will thank you. So I highly recommend this raw Seamoss by True Seamoss. Thanks for watching.